Wat lada borok ki balang kristan bat kiwi de kin huniam ki laple ya ke yemani na do ka shitarik mentau benai kumbala ailat dak sarkar ha ka sautarik mentau benai ke bade ke singi ublei bon ki balang ki laple bat pulong jingeseng hinrei na kaliang ka sindrai kalarai banumpat ple namar kampat kwa ban pinya pat ni pin sngosi ya ki bomi awan syaki jakamani blei ya kani lapen pau da uba uchalam presiden ka sindrai.
In the normal time, in the last 4-5 months, as per SOP of the government of Meghalaya, for the funeral procession, the government gave a direction that maximum 20 people to participate. But even that also we cannot control. Maximum people turn up. So now we are going to open a worship house. Problem is there because there are so many formalities we have to complete before entering into the worship house. Question of the day. That the situation is still green because day by day is keep on increasing. But I take this opportunity to thanks to all our different faith in Meghalaya who have already taken the decision to open their worship places. I wish them all the best. But that's why we will observe till the end of this December 2020, even 2021 or so, if the situation is not normal. So then we'll have to think. The problem is that we cannot control the people. We cannot divide the people. We cannot divide our followers because who may know that the misunderstanding may arise in the worship places because question will be there. Suppose if the capacity of the worship house is only 100, then the people turn up 300. Then the 200 they'll have to return back to their home place. Problem is there. The people, they may ask a question that there is a question of the rich and the poor, the literate and the illiterate. So let us take this. It is a blessing of our Trikira, our Supreme God, to save us from this disease. But Saint Right people, we prefer a hope prayer because God is there in everywhere and every place. If your heart is clean, God is there. Let us pray together that God will save us from this pandemic, to take away this virus to the faraway place in which there is no human being in that place. Thank you.